What's the meaning of Crockfords? Crockfords. Crockfords.
Crockfords. Crockfords. Crockfords is a term that refers to Douglas Crockford, a computer programmer and entrepreneur. He is known for his work in the field of JavaScript programming language and for developing various tools related to it. The term Crockfords is often used to refer to coding conventions or style guidelines inspired by his work. These conventions help make code more readable and maintainable by establishing consistent patterns and practices. By following Crockford's principles, programmers can write more efficient and error-free code that is easier to understand and modify over time.